Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 5.5 Multiple Choice Question number 11. Consider four straight lines that is given L1, L2, L3, L4. Which of the following statement is true? L1, L2 are perpendicular, L1, L2, L1, L4 parallel, like that. Four options are there. For that, we have to find the slopes of each line. Now, question number 11. Suppose line L1. For L1, the slope is M1 is uh, that is y equal to mx plus c. For that 4 over 3, because this 3 will come down, 4 over 3. For line L2, slope is here, this also y equal to mx plus c, y 4 will come down, that is 3 over 4. And line L3, M3 equal to, here this 3x go that side is minus 3x and 4 go down, minus 3 by 4. And line L4, the slope is equal, look at here, this 3y, that minus 4x go that side, 4x go that side is minus 4x, then minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. Now here L1 and L2 are perpendicular, first option. Here it's not perpendicular. If you multiply 4 by 3 and 3 by 4 will not come minus. Then second option, L1 and L4 are parallel. L1 is slope is 4 over 3, L4 is minus 4 over 3. Even it's not equal because minus and plus here, so it's not parallel. Next one, L2 and L4 are perpendicular. L2 is 3 over 4 and L4 is minus 4 over 3. If you multiply 3 over 4 and minus 4 over 3, it becomes minus 1. Suppose M2 into M4 is 3 over 4 into minus 4 over 3, which is equal to minus 1. So these both lines are perpendicular and this 3 is correct. 4, L2 and L3 is not parallel. L2 is 3 by 4, L4 is minus 4 by 3. It's not equal. So our option is L1, L2 and L4 are perpendicular to each other. Now question number 12. A straight line has equation 8y equal 4x plus 21. Which of the following is true? The slope is 0.5 and y-intercept is 2.6. Slope is 4 over 8, that is 0.5. Suppose you can write this first one, 8y equal 4x plus 21, then y equal 4 over 8x plus 21 by 8. Here 4 over 8 is 0.5, that is slope is correct, but y-intercept is 21 by 8 is 2.6. We will check it. 21 by 8 equal 2 8s are 2 8s are 16, 1 carries, that is 41, that is 5 8s are 16 and 5 carries, 6 8s are 48, 6 8s are 48, 2 carries, and this option y-intercept is 2.6. Therefore the option is 1, because the slope is 0.5 and y-intercept is 2.6. So option 1. Now question number 13. When proving that the quadrilateral is a trapezium, it is necessary to show two sides are parallel and two parallel and two non-parallel. Opposite sides are parallel, all sides are equal length. So for trapezium is nothing but one parallel side and other non-parallel side. So the option is 2. Question number 13 is option is 2. Now question number 14. Here question number 14 is when proving that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram by using slopes you must find for proving quadrilateral. It's missing. Proving quadrilateral is a parallelogram. What are the options are there? Slopes of two sides and slopes of two pair of opposite sides, the length of all sides, both the length and slopes of two sides. Here the slopes of two pair of opposite sides. So for a parallelogram, look at this parallelogram. Here we have to prove slopes of two pair of opposite sides. Here this slope and this slope must be equal. That means angle opposite to parallelogram opposite angles are equal and this opposite is equal. So uh, we need the option the slopes of two pair of opposite sides. Option 2. Option 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Option 2 is the slopes of two pair. The slopes of two pair of opposite sides. We have to consider the slopes of two pair of opposite sides. That option 1 is slopes of two sides. Slopes of two sides. Then third option is length of all sides. All sides. Then fourth option is both the length and slopes of both the length and slopes of two pair of two pair of opposite pair of opposite side. Length both the length and slopes of two sides. Both the length and slopes of two sides. In this, for we need the slopes of two pair of opposite sides. Option 2. Here answer is the slopes of two pair of opposite sides. Next question number 15. Here 2, 1 is the point of intersection of two lines. Which line? Here we have to substitute 2 is x and 1 is y and check whether it is correct or not. Here x minus y is y minus x is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 3 is not 0. Here 3x, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 7 is not 0. Here x plus y, x is 2, y is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So option 2. This is satisfying. So 2, 1 is the point of intersection of the line x plus y equal to 3. As well you have to check the second also. Then 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus y is 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. So both equations satisfy this point. So it is a point of intersection. we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.